At the end of this video, you will learn how to change Pinduoduo app into English language. All you have to do is to open your Pinduoduo app. So this is my Pinduoduo app. I just click on the app. This is the home page. All you have to do is to go to Junction, that is on your down right corner. So I'll click on that. After clicking on that, check on your top right corner. So I've clicked on my top right corner. Now after clicking on that, you have to select Dichuo He Yuan. Don't worry, you can see it there. So you click on that, yes. After clicking on that, the first one is country, the second one is language. So you don't have to do anything with the country. All you have to do is to change the language. So you click on the second option. So the second option. After clicking on that, you can see Zhongwen English. Zhongwen is Chinese. You just have to click on English, not Chinese, because you cannot speak Chinese as I can do. Then you click on English. After clicking on that, you click on trading. Trading means confirm. So this is trading. I've clicked on that. Voila, settings saved. Now we have changed the Pinduoduo app into English language. Now let's see if it has really changed. So let me click on a product. So I've clicked on this product. You can see the name, national flag, party flag, display stand, everything. The review, everything is in English language instead of Chinese. So the days of using Pinduoduo with stress, changing with other apps like Google Translate, Alipay is over. All you need is this video. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and we help with sourcing, procurement, and shipment from China. Inspection as well, we do repackaging service, so you can buy your items to our warehouse. We will repackage them for you, paying of Chinese suppliers. I mean, anything business related from China, we are your number one plug. I have 8 good years experience living and doing business in China. Taja Huanyini Laida Wada Pindao. Bye bye.